If you've ever thought about buying a drone but you're a little intimidated by the prospect of it, we're here to tell you that's actually a lot easier to get into and more affordable than you might think. I'm Jacob with bestreviews.com, and believe it or not, you only need a few basic accessories, a bit of guidance, and you'll be good to go. So let's get started, because that's the whole point. First, you'll need to choose a drone. If you're new to flying, we recommend a beginner-friendly model like the DJI Mini 2. It retails for $449, making it a great entry-level option at a mid-range price point, but it comes with all the bells and whistles you'd want from that level of tech. The Mini 2 is perfect for beginners because 1. It weighs just 249 grams, which means you are not required to register it with the FAA. 2. It's easy to set up and the controls are fairly intuitive. While there's a bit of trial and error and learning curve at first, we found it doesn't take long to learn the basics of flying and maneuvering with this model. 3. It has a return to home feature that automatically guides the drone back to you, which comes in handy if you need help navigating, because remember, easy to get the drone in the air, tougher to get it back down to earth. But just because it's designed for beginners, it doesn't mean it's skimping on the tech. The Mini 2 has a 12 megapixel camera that can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second. It has a max altitude of 1,640 feet and a max distance of over 6 miles. So if you don't know what those numbers mean, just know that it takes good video, it goes high in the air, and it also travels far away from you if you want it to. Next, you'll need a micro SD card to record all kinds of awesome aerial footage. We use the Amazon Basics micro SD XC memory card with this model, and it's as outdoor friendly as memory cards get, with a shockproof design, IPXC waterproof rating, which people tell me means something, and temperature resistance between -10 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you're wondering how large the micro SD card needs to be, you can start with 32 or 64 gigs and still have plenty of room to record. For reference, recording 30 minutes of 4K video only takes up about 8 gigs of storage, so you can do the math on how many flights it'll take for you to fill up one of those micro SD cards. The other accessory you should buy is a case for your drone. We like just getting a basic carrying case off of Amazon, like this one from the brand JSVER. For this particular drone, we recommend getting some propeller guards. If the propellers hit an obstacle, the drone is designed to stop spinning and it will drop to the ground. The guards will provide a buffer that may minimize damage to propellers and to the drone itself, and as is the case with propellers, drone guards are also model specific. I know when we were flying this drone in the Best Reviews testing lab, we wish we had the propeller guards, and then maybe we wouldn't have crashed it into another drone. And the last thing we recommend getting are extra batteries. They're well worth the investment if you don't want your flight time cut short, and they are made custom for the drone itself. On a full charge, the battery life is about 30 minutes, and our testers found it takes a few hours to reach a full charge. But remember, that 30 minutes number isn't totally accurate, because if you're doing cool tricks in the air and recording video while doing it, it will get a lot less than 30 minutes, and it'll be somewhere around 16 to 25 minutes we found with our real-life testing lab. And there you have it, your Get Started Guide to Becoming a Drone Enthusiast. All told, the starter kit will cost around $555, and we hope this video helped you simplify your purchasing decision, and if it did, like and follow us for more helpful product reviews.